Welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I hope everyone continues to stay safe during these challenging times. Thank you to all my returning subscribers and all that have shared my video. My channel continues to grow thanks to you. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by and please consider subscribing. Also, check out Jennifer's Kitchen. She's bilingual like me but provides her videos both in Spanish and English. Let her know I sent you. As we approach this Christmas and holiday season, it can be exciting, but it can also be an emotional time. 2020 has definitely and certainly been a challenging and interesting year to say the least. I want to encourage you with a Bible verse because as for me and my family, we will serve the Lord. The Bible verse is from Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans for welfare, not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Be encouraged, be kind, be the light, try to reflect on the good things in your life. I hope my video will put a smile on your face. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We